Hi, my friends. It is time for Superkids. Before we learn more with Icky and how to write in uppercase and lowercase I, we are going to do an activity with writing, okay? I'm going to give you some words, and we are going to sound them out and write how they sound, okay? So what you're going to need for this activity is a whiteboard, a marker. If you don't have a whiteboard or a marker, you can just grab a piece of paper and a pencil, okay? So if you don't have those supplies out yet, I would like you to pause this video until you have all of your supplies ready, okay? All right. So the first word we are going to spell is the word sad. Listen to the word sad. Ready? S-A-D. S-A-D. There are 3 letters in the word sad. Spell the letters that you hear. They should all be lowercase because sad is not a name. Sad. S-A-D. All right, if you are ready, get your boards ready. If you are not ready, pause the video. Okay, show your boards in 3, 2, 1. All right, how do you spell the word sad? Say it with me. S-A-D. Let's sound it out. Ready? S-A-D. Say it, put it all together. Sad. All right, you can erase the word sad off your board. And let's continue on. All right, let's continue on. Okay, ready? The next word. Now this starts with a capital letter because it is a name. Are you ready? Excuse me. Doc. D-A-C. Doc. Make sure you write a capital first letter. Her name is Doc. D-A-C. Doc. All right. If you are not ready, pause the video. But if you are ready, let's show our boards. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Show your boards. How do you spell doc? Say it with me. D-O-C. Let's sound it out. Ready? D-A-C. And let's put that all together. Doc. Awesome work. All right, you can erase, 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 erase. All right. Last word. Last word. This is also a name, okay? The name is Sal. S-A-L. Sal. Now, what do you do with the first letter of a name? That's right, you make sure it is capital. S-A-L. Sal. All right. Ready? If you are not ready, just pause the video. If you are, show your boards in 3, 2, 1. Show your boards. How do you spell sal? S-A-L. Let's sound it out. Ready? S-A-L. Sal. Good job, my friends. All right, you can erase your boards. All right, and you can actually put those away because we are done with that today. Now what we're going to do is we're going to listen to the Icky song, okay? So let me just get that all set up. All right, my friends, while you're listening to the Icky song, you can definitely pull the paper strip through like you're flipping through the channels, or if you just want to listen to the song, that is okay as well, okay? Here is the Icky song.
I am Mickey, watch with me. Come and see what we can see. Change the show's an easy trick. Just pull the paper when you hear this click.
All right, my friends, for today's lesson, we are going to learn how to write an uppercase and lowercase I. So what you're going to need, my friends, you are going to need your Icky workbooks and a pencil. Once you have your Icky workbooks and a pencil, I need you to open up to page 3, okay? I'm going to get my page 3 up, and I need you to grab out your Icky book and open up to page 3. All right, on page 3, we are going to be working with uppercase I's, okay? We are going to be working with uppercase I's. Now I need everyone to put down their pencil and look up at the screen because I'm going to show you how to write an uppercase I. Now we've talked about letters that are very easy to write, right? So we have talked about that, but guess what? They're also easy to do. They're also really easy to mess up if you don't take your time. So watch me as I take my time. So you start at the black dot. You pull down straight to the chocolate line. You lift your pencil. You go back up to the strawberry line. You pull right. All right, go down to the chocolate line and pull right again. Okay, see how I did that? All right, watch again, watch again. Start at the black dot, pull straight down, lift your pencil, go to the strawberry line, pull right, go to the chocolate line, and pull right again. Do you see how I did that? Watch what I do if I go really, really fast. Does that look good? No, we're going to erase that. Let's try that. Let me do another one. That's way too quick, okay? Ready? Is that good? Nope. We're gonna need to take our time. Watch me again. All right, you need to take your time when you're writing your letters. You start at the black dot, you pull straight down to the chocolate line, lift your pencil, go to the strawberry line, you pull right, go to chocolate line, and pull right again. Okay. I'm going to say, do you think you're ready? But I definitely think you are ready. I want you to finish the rest of this page. And while you're doing that, I want you to pause the video because I'm also going to be working on it. So we're going to pause the video. And then when you are all set, you can unpause, okay? Good luck and pause the video now. All right, so you should have finished all of your uppercase I's, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab your favorite colored crayon or marker, and with that favorite color crayon, you're going to search and search and search and find your best uppercase I. You're going to circle it, and you can do a star next to it, and you can do a smiley face. All right, so you're gonna mark which one you did the best on. So I think this is my best uppercase I. And remember, my friends, I'm writing on a laptop, so I'm doing the best I can. And they look pretty good, and I want you to try your best. Did I try my best? That's all that matters, right? All right, so you're gonna find your best uppercase I. You're gonna circle it with your favorite color crayon and put a star or a smiley face next to it, okay? All right, so what we're going to do now is I need you to turn to page 4, okay? Turn to page 4. All right, so you should be on page 4. And today, I know it's super special. We are doing both uppercase and lowercase letters today. All right, but I need you to put down your pencils and put your eyes on the screen because I'm going to show you how to write a lowercase I, okay? All right, so you start at the vanilla line. You start at the dot, you pull straight down to the chocolate line, lift your pencil, and then you do a dot right here, okay? Watch again, watch again. You start at the vanilla line, you pull straight down to the chocolate line, lift your pencil, and do a dot on top, okay? Now, when I say a dot, I don't want a big dot like that. Nope, that's not what we do when we do eyes. All right? It's just a small, okay, there we go. It's just a small dot on top, okay? See how I did that? All right, watch what happens if I go really, really fast, okay? Ooh, does that look good? No. Let's try that again. Take your time. You pull down to the chalk line, lift your pencil and do a dot on top. Oh, I missed my dot from my mistake. All right. So it's a very easy letter to write again, but if we go really, really fast and don't take our time, it's not going to look right, okay? One more time and then it'll be your turn to try. You pull straight down, lift your pencil and do a dot, okay? Now look at the bottom, my friends. They want us to do an uppercase I, then a lowercase I. So the bottom line is uppercase I's and then lowercase I's, okay? So what I want you to do, you're going to pause the video, and I'm going to pause the video too. You're going to take your time, do this whole page, and when you are done with this whole page, you can unpause the video, okay? So I want you to pause the video right now. Good luck. All right, so you should have finished this whole page. Now do the same steps. Find your favorite color crayon, look through, and find your best lowercase I. Circle it, put a star around it, and a smiley face, okay? All right, awesome work with your uppercase and lowercase I's. But no. We are not done yet. We are actually going to be doing, and excuse me, sorry, I just kicked something underneath my desk. We are going to be doing one of your favorite activities is listening to an audio recording and then writing what we hear, okay? So what you're gonna need is still need your pencil, and then you need to open up to page 5, okay? Open up to page 5. All right, on page 5, we see two of our super kids. We see Icky and Elf, who like to watch TV, okay? So they're gonna go through all the TV shows that they like to watch. Now, I need you to listen really carefully. This audio recording is a little bit different, okay? If the show does not begin with an I, it's okay. You're going to write the letter that you hear at the beginning of the word. So there's going to be no X's on this audio recording page, okay? You're going to write the uppercase letter that you hear at the beginning of each TV show. Now, my friends, why do you think we're going to do an uppercase letter? Why do you think we're going to do an uppercase letter, my friends? You're not sure? If you're sure, then that's great. If you're not sure, it's because we are talking about TV shows. So movie titles, okay, or TV titles. So you always start with an uppercase letter when you're talking about TV shows, you're talking about names, important places, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna listen to the audio recording, and you're going to be writing a letter on each of the lines and make sure it's uppercase, okay? So we're gonna listen really carefully, and then we'll check our answers at the end, okay? Good luck.
Meet the Superkids. Student Book, Unit 8, page 5. Listen carefully and follow my directions. When you hear this sound, your teacher will pause this recording so you have time to mark your answer. Look at the picture of Icky and Alf watching TV.
Hey, Alf, is today Tuesday?
Yeah.
Oh, good. My favorite TV show is on today.
What is it?
It's called Lost in Labrador, and it's all about the adventure some explorers have. See, they're lost in a cold, faraway place called Labrador.
That sounds really good. I like shows about adventures.
Me too. It's fun to pretend that you're the explorer.
Yeah, that's what I like to do too. Let's turn on the TV and watch the show.
Okay, but I think it's too early. It's not time for Lost in Labrador to be on yet.
Well, let's see what's on.
Now look at the picture of the magician.
Hey, look at that! That guy pulled a bird out of his hat. This isn't Lost in Labrador. This must be a show about magic.
Yeah, this is the Isidore the Incredible show.
Whoa!
And now for my last act, I will introduce an incredible, indescribable, impossible new trick. May I have a drum roll, please? Ladies and gentlemen, I will now disappear right before your very eyes. Yes, I, Isidore the Incredible, will become invisible.
Wow! He's really doing it! He's disappearing! He's gone!
Yeah, Isidore the Incredible has become invisible.
Well, if he's gone, there's nothing else to see on that show.
Yeah.
Isidore. Write the uppercase letter for the sound at the beginning of Isidore on the lines next to the magician.
All right, so you're looking at the magician. His name is Isidore. Listen very carefully to the beginning sound. Ready? Isidore. Write the uppercase letter you hear at the beginning of Isidore. All right. I'm going to continue on. If you need a few more moments, just pause the video.
Now look at the picture of 3 people on the TV game show.
Sounds like this show is funny.
Yeah, I wonder what it is.
Howdy, folks. Howdy. Welcome to the Super Sweepstakes Special. Hooray! Our prize today is $700. That's right, the Super Sweepstakes Special is giving away $700 today. And who will be the lucky person to sweep away the sweepstakes prize? The super winner will be the person who can answer our stumper question. And it is a stumper, folks. Nobody has been able to answer this question yet, but Mr. Smith is going to try now. Are you ready, Mr. Smith? Yes. Here goes. The stumper question is, approximately how far is the Earth from the Sun? 93 million miles. The Sun is approximately 93 million miles away from the Earth. You're right. You win the $700. You've answered the stumper question. You won the Super Sweepstakes Special.
$700? Wow!
Super. Write the uppercase letter for the sound at the beginning of super on the lines next to the picture of the game show.
All right, so we are looking at this picture right here. Now listen to the word super. Ready? Super. Please write the uppercase letter you hear at the beginning of super on the line right here. All right, I'm going to continue on. If you need a few more minutes, just pause the video.
I think those quiz shows are silly.
Well, did you know that it was 93 million miles from the Earth to the Sun?
Well, no.
You can learn some pretty neat stuff from those quiz shows sometimes.
I guess so. But let's turn the channel and see if the adventure show about Labrador is on yet.
Okay. What's this?
Let's watch this and see what these weird creatures are.
Yeah!
We are creatures from outer space. We came to make friends with the people who live on the Earth. Hello, we're here to meet people from Earth.
I've seen this movie before.
Me too. In the end, the creatures from outer space all go back to their own planet because they can't drink Earth water. It's not a very exciting show.
The creatures from outer space are fun to look at, though. They're almost a little scary, except you know they're not real. They're just imaginary.
Yeah, that's the name of this movie. The Imaginary Creatures from Outer Space.
Now look at the picture of the odd creatures. Imaginary. Write the uppercase letter for the sound at the beginning of imaginary on the lines next to the creatures.
All right, so we're looking at this picture right here of these crazy creatures. The word is imaginary. Listen really carefully. Imaginary. What letter do we hear at the beginning of imaginary? No, right? Write it on the line right here. And remember, it has to be uppercase, okay? All right, I'm going to continue on. If you need a few more minutes, just pause the video.
Well, I couldn't stand to watch that space movie another time.
Where's Lost in Labrador?
You have just heard the incredible new international singing star Isabel Ingle sing a song from an Italian opera.
Now look at the picture of the woman who is singing. Isabel. Write the uppercase letter for the sound at the beginning of Isabel on the lines next to Isabel, the opera singer.
All right, right here, her name, listen to Isabel. Isabel. What letter do you hear at the beginning of Isabel? Write the uppercase letter you hear on the line. All right, I'm going to continue on. If you need a few more moments, just pause the video.
Hey, Icky, let's find Lost in Labrador.
It must be time for it now. Let's turn back to Channel 6.
So there comes a time when every organization.
This is it. This is Lost in Labrador.
Good.
Hey, let me see the map. You've done this all wrong. We're really lost now.
No, let me see the map. I know we should have turned up the mountain path.
But I was just following the map. We were supposed to go down, not up.
If you turned when I told you to, we wouldn't be lost now.
I'm cold. What are we going to do?
No wonder we're lost. This isn't the right map. This is a map of Ecuador. We're in Labrador, not Ecuador.
Oh, no.
We're lost in Labrador.
Now look at the picture of the dogs and 3 explorers. Labrador. Write the uppercase letter for the sound at the beginning of Labrador on the lines next to the explorers.
All right, Labrador. Listen very carefully. Labrador. What uppercase letter are you going to write on the line? Labrador. All right, I'm going to continue on. We're going to check our answers. If you need a few more moments, just pause the video.
Let's check your answers. You should have written uppercase I next to these 3 pictures. Isidore the magician, imaginary creatures, Isabel the opera singer. You should have written uppercase S next to the picture of the Super Sweepstakes game show. You should have written uppercase L next to the picture of the explorers who are lost in Labrador.
All right, I want you to check your answers real quick with mine. All right, if your answers match the ones on this page, you can close your Superkids books and put your pencil away, okay? If it is not, pause the video and fix your answers. We are gonna finish our lesson with the Icky song. All right, here's the Icky song. Now remember, you can pull the paper strip through or you can just listen to the song.
Mickey wants with me. Come and see what we can see. Thanks shows an easy trick. Hold the paper when you hear this click. All the shows are brought to you by my favorite letter, the letter I. Itty bitty little small, it's hard to see at all. What is it, this tiny speck? An itty bitty small insect. If you ever catch a chill, sneeze, feel so ill, into bed and take a nap, you'll feel better in a snap. Itch, just scratch that itch, ear or tailbone, who cares which? Itches you cannot ignore, itch, and it's some more.
All right, my friends, that is it for our Super Kids lesson today. Awesome work writing your uppercase and lowercase i's and listening to that audio recording, okay? When someone gets a chance, please have your moms, dad, or whoever's watching you send me a picture of all your work today, okay? Bye, everybody. See you soon.